you apply your mind.
Here,
Your political master will go one day. You will be continued in your service.
we are following orders, and
But
our primary
don't
duty is maintenance of law and order,
follow
sir.
the unlawful order. This is unlawful. The
Kaduki
Supreme
Pak-
Court
Pak
has
Ahmad tu jenis
stated
saya,
clearly that
dan maintain
you
dia kan,
cannot
cepat.
invoke Section 144 CRPC just to prevent legitimate expression of opinion and grievances. We are expressing our legitimate grievances where the government has removed those officials from the Lokayukta, an institution which has been brought to contain corruption, to deal with corruption.
Sir, banyak kali kita jingwen yang kita official law kita sir, kadang nak kawin kalak sir. As a respected.
You tell me what is kaya katakalan?
Kalak sir, nak beli kendo in a peaceful way.
Oh, this is violent. Is this violent?
Ngam mo siya violent sir. Ang violent. Balum brio, bibun brio, bilik nong ka kalau nada sir, kadang hati.
Hey, kita kalau tu penyidikan. Hey, kita kalau order.
Hakasni sir, hakasni Friday bawan honorable Home Minister. Kumakatus ni sir. Kami accused tapi tak.
You mean to send a message to Delhi that everything is fit and fine in Meghalaya when the state is becoming the poorest state in the northeast? Yes, everything is fine.
Partai social media
No.
Kamdan cuk bari.
Kamdan cuk bari. Tapi pinsul eran. Paling ini ka darab jot ya kata kecilong Meghalaya.
Hari hari upor, because of internet, kan tu dijam harga Friday ru, bahasan orang masih negatif masih yang sini belum plenary committee juga NC.
Kadon kabha bakalong kita. Bagi
Kita toleran dengan represent wrong message.
Yang siya
Come they get wrong message, kadang right message. They should know the truth. The central leadership should know the truth. Mendai ban sudarab jot repair di surak tang porwan ke central leadership. Ka tarong ka igidukan.
Sir, all those issues.
We cannot afford to tolerate this kind of hypocrisy.
Itu baru issues lah.
You
are a representative. You can raise that issue through a personal meeting, through a courtesy meeting with the.
Who are you to explain me how to raise? You think I don't know? Know your limits. Okay. We know. You just do your job. If you are instructed to arrest us, you arrest. If you are instructed to lathi charge us, you do that. Then you will see. And I will see who has the courage to put a first stick on our bodies. Ngingim ko ajing kelumar, ka ko ajing kelumar ke sorkar. Ka ko ajing kelumar ke district administration. Dan kami kata, kani kampun wit. To pimut banong bahkan kam ku ka suk kan kam jai le ding song nang ni. Inum ki nang ni. Ti boleh ngim la bani ai. Bani kendu yo officer bla fu ning ang ongan dia kendu. Dangal ai kendu ong tu ngin sekren dan ngin saya rai menu ban song hang ni hang nu ngin song menu bani kendu. Ngim la ban rai. Ngim la ban rai. But we are telling you, we are not going to create problem. We have already mentioned it is going to be a peaceful demonstration. Do you understand peaceful demonstration? Not with this. Okay, not with guns. Not with covering your faces. We don't have that kind of intention. Tapi he so artian him so tikna yung itap tiar line up yung i-check yung i-pay. Dia nak tahu konbi kata ngalak ada keren. Bala ki government kimla ki government. Oh, ini kita kena red deal in this way. And what will happen if we decide something which is more serious?
That won't happen, sir.
Will you be able to handle the situation, or will you ask? Just give order to fire and lathi charge. That is what you are waiting for. The way you are preparing. Never.
We will not allow. Our future is at stake.
We want to show to the world that as a party, the leaders will take the front lead.